See how she does. Hello, welcome back to the channel. We're here again with our beautiful 2015 Nissan Altima S Special Edition with remote start. Last video we painted this sucker up. We just slicked it all out. It's got a slick paint job, man. This thing's just gonna scoot down the road. But today we're here, we're gonna work on the suspension. So JP, he got it halfway on the lift behind me there, and we're gonna jump on it here and see what the heck we're gonna do. So let's look at it right now. All right, JP, what the heck are we doing here tonight?
Yeah, tonight we're going to work on put a new axle in this thing. We're going to put a knuckle on it. We're going to put a strut on it and get all that buttoned up and try to get it to the alignment shop maybe the end of the week.
God, man, that sounds good. We're going to get a bunch done tonight. We're going to have this thing put back together. You know why we need to hurry?
Why?
Because we have got something cool to work on as soon as we get done.
Oh,
so we got to jump on this to get this out of the way, to get on our cool build that's coming next. So we're going to get us pizza here in a minute too, right?
Absolutely.
All right, we're going to jump on this thing and see if we can get some stuff done. We got all this going on in here. Got the strut out. Got the steering knuckle off. Everything's off. But I'm fighting with that boot right there. Me and that boot, we are going to fight. But I'm going to hop back to it and see if I can get it off. We did make quick work of that. We about to go on our first test drive in this thing. Check him out. All right, JP's coming. First test drive. See how she does. Dang, man. How did you contain all that horsepower in that thing?
He was slapping on me right there.
Gosh, what a horsepower. God, man. All right, we're going to take this thing down the road.
Let's go.
Oh, man, that air conditioner is cold.
You're doing a good job right here. This feels good, drives good. Good pep. Shift's good.
Shift's good. That CVT shift real good.
Yeah.
I couldn't even feel it like from first to second right there. It was just like...
Couldn't feel it better at all. Nothing blows out of her trunk. We ain't got no trunk.
We got no trunk. We got no lights.
Ain't got a headlight or a tail light one on this thing. So we're going down the road. I can't roll my window up.
Yeah, we got no lights. We got nothing. But
not bad on the alignment. Feels good.
Look at that.
Just a little bit
look
off.
at that.
Look at there.
She runs straight down the road.
Straight.
All that suspension work paid off. I see traction control light on over there.
Whoops. Yep. That's gonna be with the steering angle sensor. Doing a clear path.
Yeah, man, this thing is nice. We stretched it out here. JP, he's about to get on it.
Yeah, we're gonna see if we should do one bite. Here we go.
Let's see if we can feel it. Woo, feel that power, man. Gosh, that CVT, she just zoom, man.
Yeah. Like a little four-wheeler I used to have.
Gosh, yeah, she just zoom. 4 cylinders, raw horsepower, man.
Yeah, I smell it.
Yeah, I smell the soot coming out of this thing, man.
Up to 80.
went from 0 to 80 in 112 seconds.
Oh, Lord. She rides nice.
Yeah, man, this thing's good. It's good. I mean, for what it is, we did good work, man. We did good work. We put that suspension under there just like it's supposed to be. Here we go again. Man, it threw me back in the seat.
Runs good.
I'm just trying to get over all them G-forces. How about you?
Yeah.
I mean, you feeling them?
Yeah. I'm planning in this seat.
Gosh, man. Yeah, we got the catalytic converter engaged, and we're burning all the leftover fuel desiccants that's built up in that thing. We forgot to put the taillights in, and we also didn't put the trunk lid on. So I hope all our parts didn't blow out down the highway here.
We're gonna make another lap, make sure we don't see nothing.
We're gonna try to get this time. You know, we're gonna try to beat our time of 0 to 80 in 112 seconds. So that's what we're going for this time. 0 to 60, 4.2.
Ready and go. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1000 and a half. 5.5 seconds.
5.5 seconds to 60 in a 4-cylinder CVT. Man, this thing is, God, this is a nice car. I mean, we spent a good bit of time on it. We got it all fixed up. Now it's on the road. We just gotta put her all back together. I think that takes care of all the big parts, right?
That's it. It's all easy from here.
Yeah, so we just gotta put the bumpers on, you know, put all the doors and stuff back together, all that kind of stuff. But man, so far this thing is sweet. We gotta put this thing back up. The world is not ready for the horsepower this thing has, so we're gonna put it back up for a little bit. All right, man. I'm still suffering a little bit from all that whiplash JP gave me with all them G-forces when we was running that thing up and down the drag strip a minute ago. With no trunk on it, no tail lights, no headlights. But you know what? It runs good, it drives good. We jumped on that suspension today, ripped all that old stuff out, threw it in the trash, and now we got all new stuff in there and everything is perfect. It might need a little bit of alignment, but you know, for the most part, it runs good. We got to deal with like a traction control light, and we just got to put this sucker back together. It's about ready. We're about to turn it loose because, like we said, we're excited to get started on our next project, and I think y'all are going to really like it. So if you like what we're doing, subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below. It is a brand new day. We're here still working on our 2015 Nissan Altima S Special Edition with remote start. Today, we're planning on putting this thing back together. We got all the suspension on, everything is back. We took it on a good test drive. We're gonna put all the lights in. We're just gonna try to just put as much of it back together as we can. That's our plan today. So we're gonna hop to it and see how much we can get done. So we really have worked hard on this thing, kind of getting everything put back together. We're missing a couple of brackets here and there, but for the most part, this Nissan is back together. We've done good work today. We got it all straightened out and all fixed up. It's a little budget car, but it's looking really, really good. So let me flip the camera around and show you what we got. but it is really, really nice car. It's going to be a good car. I mean, I really like it. We got our orange on there, but you can't even really see it, but that's okay. We knew that when we painted it. But everything's going good with this build. If you like what we're doing, leave us a comment down below. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Until next time, we're out.